Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a bite-sized review of the Corsair MM350 Premium Anti-Fray Extra Thick Cloth Gaming Mouse Pad. The MM350 comes in two sizes, the extra large and the extra large extended. The one that I ended up getting was the extra large extended version, which measures 95 cm by 40 cm, or 36.6 inches by 15.7 inches. The predecessor to the MM350 was the MM300, which was just as long, but it was only half the width. I've included links to both these versions below, so be sure to check them out. The MM350 comes in a standard box packaging with a little cutout for you to feel the texture of the mousepad. Inside, you'll find the mousepad and a couple of manuals regarding the warranty. Now, I'm not sure about whether this applies to the other cloth mousepads made by Corsair, but when you first open the MM350, it has a very strong rubbery and chemical smell to it. This is something that has been commented on by other users who own this particular mousepad as well, so I'm pretty sure it applies to this model of mousepad. But not to worry, the smell did fade away for me after about 3 to 5 days of constant exposure in the open. In terms of the underside grip, it is a rough and grippy high quality rubber texture. On the top side, you'll find a nice Corsair branded print that is a mixture of grey and black with sketch-like markings, giving it a nice artistic look yet modern feel. Corsair has termed the mouse surface as a glide-enhanced woven textile surface that has low friction and is optimized for high-performance gaming mice. In terms of durability, Corsair claims that the MM350 is made using a precision-stitch 360-degree anti-fray edge which guards against surface peeling. In terms of how practical the MM350 XL extended version would be for you, the few factors to consider would be your screen and your screen mounting setup. Because the mousepad is fairly broad in terms of width, it means that your screen would need to be at least 40 cm or 16 inches from the bottom of the mousepad. In any case, I quite like the distance, and I think it's just the right amount to ensure your eyes isn't going to burn from staring at the screen that is placed too near. Now, the one great thing about this extra large extended layout is that it really opens up the space where I can use my mouse without having to worry as to where the edges of the mousepad would be. The additional padding around the keyboard also doubles up nicely as a soft textured handrest. The soft texture of the mousepad also means that I don't experience any friction from the edges or worry about the edges cutting me, which I did experience with the hard pads. To give you a better sense of the large amount of space available, there is about 20 cm or 8 inches of clearance above the keyboard, even if you were to use a typical full-size gaming keyboard. At the sides, you would have about 26 cm or 10 inches of space for the mouse. So overall, if you can afford the space on your desk and you want a nice comfy premium feel under your hands when you're working or gaming, with some additional space for your wireless phone charger and headphones, then this extended mousepad is definitely a great buy that will last quite a while. So that's it for my bite-sized review of the Corsair MM350 Extra Large Extended Cloth Gaming Mousepad. If you guys are enjoying these reviews, do show your support by subscribing to the channel.